In addition to time, there are 4 other types of posting that can be entered, and we will show these in turn. Each of the 4 posting grids is similar to the ad hoc timesheet posting grid in that they are date-based. The exact columns on the grid depend on the system configuration. This example shows clients and then only the jobs for the selected client. Other views can show only jobs or only the jobs from the My Jobs collection. This example also shows subsidiary codes. Again, the system can be configured to be as powerful or as simple as required. The existing data can be sorted by clicking on each column header, and the totals are always shown on the foot of the grid. Firstly, we will post expense claims. Expense claims relate to employees and can include both chargeable and non-chargeable items that would normally be reimbursed to them. A new posting line is created by clicking in the top left cell of the grid marked "Click here to add new." The date of the expense is entered first, and then a client can be selected from a drop-down list. If the client cannot be found or the list is too large, the form assistant can provide advanced search and selection. Once selected, the jobs for that client are shown, allowing selection of the exact job for posting. If a default subsidiary code is specified for the job, this will be displayed, or a code can be selected from the drop-down list. An optional memo can be entered, and finally the cost to be charged. Pressing Enter or the down arrow will accept the posting and it will be transferred to the grid. It should be noted that whilst we have used the mouse for this demonstration, the postings can be performed completely via the keyboard by clicking Tab to advance along the row and the F4 function key to activate the drop-down list. Finally, the expense claim must be submitted by clicking on the Review and Submit button. This presents a summary of the postings grouped by client. If not correct, the Edit Postings button will take you back to the postings grid. If correct, the summary can be exported to an Excel spreadsheet or printed for formal approval before the Submit button is clicked. Purchases and other costs can include any non-employee related items that could be charged to a client or job. These could include supplier invoices, subcontract costs, telephone or printing recharges. The process is identical to posting expense claims, and the only difference is that the eventual transactions will not be linked to an employee. Billings or fees are the amounts net of VAT that have been invoiced to clients, either directly or in respect of jobs. Again, the process is identical to posting expense claims, and the only difference is that the eventual transactions will appear as billings and will have the effect of reducing the net cost or work in progress value on the job. Write-offs can be posted to eliminate any net costs that are not recoverable. These are normally posted after billings when the true recovery can be identified. Again, the process is identical to posting expense claims, and the only difference is that the eventual transactions will appear as negative costs, and again will have the effect of reducing the net cost or work in progress value on the job. Negative write-offs can be posted if the billings on the job have exceeded the costs and no further costs are expected.